Let's see how to add the Tapo camera to the Tapo Smart Hub H200. I have already the camera working, as you can see here on my Tapo app. That's the Tapo C615F, and I have the Tapo H200 Hub already working, okay? And let me just show you here, that's the camera, the Tapo C615F, that's the floodlight camera. And this camera can work with local recording up to 512 gigabytes. But instead of using the SD card, I'm going to use the Tapo Hub to record the footage from the camera. So the first thing that I have to check here is that they are in the same network, right? I have both of them working, but I just need to check here on the Tapo Hub, here on the gear icon, and I come down and look for device info. You see here that I have the Tapo Hub with the IP address 10.0.0. something. So I just need to check the network on the camera if it follows the same IP range. So I just come back here to the camera. And here on the camera, I just go to settings and look for device info. And I see that I have the same IP address range, 10.0.0. something. So I'm good to go. I'm connecting the camera via Wi-Fi and I'm connecting the hub via cable, but they're connected to the same router. So super simple. Then I can just come here from the Tapo Hub. I just select here, connect the devices, just see if I have any device connected. Right now I don't have anyone, so I just hit here the plus signal. And it's not a new device, it's an existing device. The camera is already there in the network. So I just tap on this one, and it's going to look for the camera on the network. And finds the camera, my Tapo C615F. I just hit connect, and it's going to communicate with the camera and connect. So I see this, congratulations. The device is connected, I just hit got it. And I can use the Tapo Hub as a Wi-Fi backup for this camera. And I'm good to go. Okay, so I just select here. I just check the storage and everything looks good. Wi-Fi backups on. I can even come here and select live view. Okay, and here from the camera itself, when I just select the camera, I can even come to the storage and recording. And here I can select the local storage. And instead of using the SD card, I can use the Tapo Hub. As you can see, that's already here, right? I'm using the hub. I can use the SD card on the camera if I want to, but I prefer to use the hub and record here, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can add a Tapo camera to a Tapo Hub. This one is the Tapo H200. It's a smart hub. And that's the way it works. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.